Welcome to Pexco Aerospace's Claims Management Plan, L&I, reporting an accident, illness, or near miss. The first topic we'll discuss is how to report of an accident. This module covers the 5 major components of your role in the return to work process: helping injured employees seek medical attention, modified and light duty, communicating and confidentiality, incident report forms, and returning to work. It is important to ensure that an injured employee seeks medical attention immediately. Work injuries can occur from a variety of sources: lifting objects, operating equipment, repetitive tasks, slips and falls, and patient handling. This can occur when an employee is attempting to lift a box. Even if it's minor medical attention that is needed, it should be reported to your supervisor immediately. Depending on the severity of the injury, escort or guide the employee to the healthy worker. The employee may also see a medical provider of their choosing. You can choose who you see initially, but if your doctor determines you have a work-related injury, occupational medicine specialists are best for continuing care. On the L&I websites, employees can choose their medical provider initially. However, occupational medicine providers are best equipped to handle work-related injuries. Incident report form. An incident report form should be completed immediately by the employee. In the event of an emergency, the employee may fill out the form upon return, or a supervisor may assist the employee in filling out the form. This form can be located in the lunchroom as well as on M-Files. An accident investigation report should be completed immediately by the supervisor and turned into HR. The HR safety team will investigate the incident and take the necessary steps to correct the procedure or processes to prevent future injuries. This form can be located on the M-Files. In the event of a major injury, please text the VP of Operations and President of Pexco Aerospace. In the event of a minor injury, incident, or near miss, please email the Yakima safety team. That way everybody is informed of the incident. Do omit any sort of HIPAA violations, as in age, sex, or name of the injured employee when sending the email. Many injured employees want to return to work as quickly as possible. There is modified or light duty available for certain jobs, and if available after they're released by their medical provider, they should speak with their supervisor to see if there's any modified duty or light duty available to them. Modified and light duty are used as a stepping stone to get injured employees back to their regular position. Every department of Pexco can offer modified and light duty when available, as it is essential to getting injured employees back to work quickly. However, again, you need to speak with your supervisor or HR in regards to modified and light duty. Reporting a near miss. Reporting a near miss should also be completed on the incident report form and turned into HR. Reporting a near miss could save an employee's life. You can also report any sort of near misses and potential safety concerns on Pexco PACE. If you have any questions about how Pexco Aerospace handles our claim management program, please see a member of the EHS team, HR, or your supervisor for more information. Thank you.